In this time I will show you how to make beautiful project in Irish lace technique. We are working on the front side of the project. We begin from the painting in real size and pin it on a mat, then make cords on the burden, then sew places of contiguity, then make rings, flowers, then sew beads in the center and make round elements and sew them, then crochet inside part of the leaf and sew them. And sew the ribbon. For work you need flower, round element that you can find in tutorial 7 of crochet project and elements playlist, rings, cords, cotton yarns, pins, scissors and crochet hooks, and mat. We make a picture in real size and pin it on a mat. Let's begin the work. I pin the flower on the picture. Then I make a cord on the burden. The length of the cord is determined by pattern. Let's begin the cord on the burden. Burden is the thread in the half in 6 times. Insert the hook into the loop. Make a chain. Chain more. Make single crochet. And pull a little bit. Here what we have. We have done the cord on the burden. The length of the cord is determined by pattern. Now I crochet the trim for this cord. I take dark color of yarn. Work with back loops. Make a chain. Make single crochet into each back loop. So continue working this way till the end of the cord. We have done the trim for the cord. Now work with front loops. Insert the hook into the front loop, make a chain, chain, and make single crochet into the front loop. Make single crochet into each front loop. Here what we have. This is front and this is back. We have done the cord and trim for this cord and pin it on a mat. Then you should sew them together in the places of contiguity. Then you should make cords on the burden. As you can see, I have done these cords of other color of yarn. In this case, the burden is thread in the half 3 times. Then you should pin such cords on the pattern sew them together in the places of contiguity. Now I will work with trim of this cord for more comfortable work. Work with orange color of yarn, insert the hook into the cord, make a chain, then chain of 2, yarn over the hook, make half double crochet into the same stitch, make half double crochet into the same stitch the second time, and half double crochet into the same stitch the third time. Remove the hook, insert the hook into the loop, take the working loop, pull it through. Here what we have, chain of 3, yarn over the hook, we skip the next stitch, work with the second stitch, make 4 double crochet into the same stitch, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pull up the working loop, remove the hook, insert it into the first double crochet, take the working loop, pull it through. Chain of 3, yarn over the hook, we skip the next stitch and work with the second stitch, 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, remove the hook, insert it into the first double crochet, take the working loop, pull it through. Chain of 3, and continue working in this way till the end of this pattern. As you can see, I have done the trim for this cord. I already made round elements, and in this case I pin it. In this case I use round element, then make popcorn stitches. Pin it. Next stage is I'm making the rings. Insert the hook into the ring. Make single crochet. Here what we have. You should have such ring. The ready elements you should pin on the pattern. I pinned rings with beads. Then you should sew the places of contiguity. I have already sewn the places of contiguity, and I decorate my project with beads. You should fill up the inside part of the leaf. In this case I use the chaotic mesh. As you can see, I have already started. Continue the work. Make chain 1, 2, 3, yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain space, make double crochet. Chain 1, insert the hook into the chain space, make single crochet. Turn the work. Chain 1, 2, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next chain space, make double crochet. Chain 1, 2, 3, remove the hook, insert it into the chain space, take the working loop, pull it through, make a chain 1, 2, 3, 4, insert the hook into the chain space, take the working loop, pull it through. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over and double crochet into the next chain space. I do not finish this stitch, then double crochet not finish into the next chain space, then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. Chain 1, insert the hook into the chain space, make single crochet. Turn the work. Chain 1, 2, yarn over the hook and double crochet into the chain space. Remove the hook, insert it into the chain space, take the working loop, pull it through. Remove the hook, insert it into the chain space, take the working loop, pull it through. Then you should cut off the yarn. You should remove yarn to the back side. The work is finished. Now we can retouch the project from the mat. Today we have learned how to make beautiful project in Irish lace technique. In this project we used flowers, round elements, cords on the burden, rings, beads, round elements. Don't miss our new video tutorials on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.